This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. NVIDIA is trending lower by about 2% despite beating Q4 2021 estimates and raising Q1 revenue guidance. Taking a look back, the stock topped out right around the $75 level in September 2018, came back up to that level in February, completed a cup and handle pattern in April 2020, breaking out in a very strong uptrend that topped out right around the 145 level in September. It carved this very rectangular correction right into the 200-week moving average in March 2021. Then it gathered strength and broke out once again. Now we have sort of a very dramatic, perhaps even a five-wave Elliott pattern here. Now some of these waves don't quite match up, but this sure looks like a climactic fifth wave that started in September, raising the stock from about 200 all the way up to the 350 level. That's a very, very big move. Now the stock topped out, posting an all-time high in November and started to correct. Let's go into the closer chart since then. As you can see, we have a bunch of waves down. First, we have a break of the 200-day, the 50-day moving average right here in January. Then we have a break of the 200-day move, so a 50-day moving average break, then a 200-day moving average break. Got its act together, started to play 5,200 pinball right in here. Came right back up to this very nice trend line, and it sort of poked its nose above the trend line on Wednesday. Well, it's trading below the trend line today, right back here around the 259, 258 level. So we have a little bit of a rejection, but it's not really enough to call it a failure at the 50-day moving average. Now the weekly, this is the daily relative strength. If you go to weekly relative strength, it looks pretty good here. See, we're in a buy cycle. The trouble starts longer term. If you take a look at the monthly cycle, as you can see, we still have a very active sell cycle going on. Look at the stretch between these two stochastics lines, and that's a big deal. When it stretches like that, that means that the sell cycle is gathering strength, not losing strength. And so I think we're going to probably not do that well from this point onward. So what does that mean? Well, I think this reversal is probably going to hold. Again, we'll give the stock today to see if it could come back up to that 265 level. But barring a strong session, which is very possible, I think we're going to get a rollover and start testing down around here again, right around the 200 to 210 level. Now, I don't know if that level is going to break. We do have that weekly cycle looking good, but I do worry about that monthly cycle, that NVIDIA's correction is not done, and it may surprise people with further downside.